Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox, and now I'm going to guide you how to add an audio spectrum on a project of Filmora. That is pretty simple, but before doing that I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel and also requesting to hit that like button. So first of all, you need to open the Filmora app in your PC, and then you need to click on this option called effects. Okay, after clicking on effects, you will see many options on the left side, and then here you need to select this option, audio effects, and here you will get almost 3 options or more than 8, but you need to choose this option, audio visual effect. Okay, and here you will see many audio spectrums which are available for you. So these are premium actually, those diamond icon, but you need to select those ones which are not premiums. And you need to choose one of them here from this one, this one, this one, this one, and we can choose this one. This is pretty good, right? And we can choose this one. So I'm clicking on download. It will take some time to download it, and after downloading it we can directly use it on our project. So that's pretty simple as
আসসালামু
we think
আলাইকুম বন্ধুরা,
actually.
কেমন আছেন
So
সবাই?
let's see what happened. Yes, you can see that our audio project is running and the visual effect of audio spectrum is also running. So that's all about today's video, how you can add an audio spectrum on your Filmora project. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.